Hello everyone, my name is Fayaz Khan Sahil and today we're gonna learn about circulatory system which is also the circulatory system is also known as the blood system. It is actually the main transport system in mammals, example humans. Look at this system, look at the circulatory system. As you can see, the main part of circulatory system is actually the heart, blood and the blood vessels. It requires a network of blood cells, blood vessels, right? A pump. It is a pump, right? It requires a pump which is over here is heart so that the blood could transport it throughout the body, and it also need valves that ensure the flow of blood in one direction. So the simple definition of circulatory system is that circulatory system is a transport system in the body made up of heart, blood and blood vessel responsible for carrying oxygen, nutrients, hormone and waste product. Most of the people actually think wrong when they think about circulatory system. They always think about oxygen. Other than oxygen, nutrients are also travel, hormones are also transported in this way, and waste product like urea are also transported in this way. And this circulatory system ensure the continuous flow of blood, helping to maintain life and support body function. Now let's look at what is oxygenated blood and what is deoxygenated blood. So the big question is, what is oxygenated blood? Oxygenated blood are actually the blood which are rich in oxygen. So let's write the definition. Oxygenated, sorry for my handwriting. Oxygenated blood, I don't know why my pain is this pressure sensitivity. Let's put it in this option. Oxygenated blood are blood which have rich in oxygen, right? Rich in O2, and which usually circulate from the lungs to the heart. Lungs to the heart. Now let's look at deoxygenated blood. By the way, I don't know where you guys are from. Please write it down in the comment section. I would love to know you guys. And sorry I cannot frequently upload the video as my last semester is going on, so I'm in a bit pressure. Let's look at what is deoxygenated blood. As the name suggests, it has less oxygen, right? It has less O2, and interestingly, you know that thing, it has more CO2. Where does the CO2 actually comes from? The CO2 actually comes from the cells. That suppose you have a cells, right, that are constantly going through metabolism, so it is producing CO2 at a constant rate through respiration, right? Respiration, what is respiration? The breaking down of glucose into what? You guys should know it. Write it down in the comment section. So interesting fact is that you love to know this fact. I'm guessing you love to know this fact. Our heart, okay? Guess how many times our heart actually beats every single day? Our heart actually beats around 100,000 times a day. Can you imagine that? Just 100,000 times a day. Like, this is amazing, right? And over a year, it actually beats around 35 million times. So that is why your heart is very important. Now let's look at one of the most important thing. We have two circulation, double circulation, and we have singular circulation. In this example, we'll learn about double circulation. So what is double circulation? As the name suggests, double circulation is simply the blood passes through the heart twice during one complete circuit. So for one complete circuit, the heart actually moves twice. There are two types of circulation. One is pulmonary circulation. One is pulmonary circulation and one is systematic circulation. If we look at the pulmonary circulation is basically the blood flow from the heart. Look at this thing, blood flow from the heart to the lungs. This simple is the pulmonary circulation, and from the lungs it actually come to heart again in the left side of the heart. Okay, from the left side of the heart, the blood, as you can see in this vessel, the blood are actually pumping to the rest of the body. The blood are actually flow from the heart to the rest of the body. Double circulation have mammals, birds and reptiles. Mammals like us, human, elephants, birds and reptiles, as we know, have double circulation. What are the advantage of it? The main advantage of it is that when the blood actually passes through the lungs, when it passes, look at this path, like the zigzag paths, right? When the blood actually passes through it, because of the resistance of the blood vessels, because of the frictions, the pressure got lower. As a result, in mammal, the lowest blood pressure actually returned to the heart, and from the heart it actually pumped at the high pressure so that it could reach throughout the body. It ensured faster blood flow, especially important to deliver oxygen quickly in active tissue. Let's learn about one important facts. Look at these blood vessels, right? Look at these blood vessels. Your blood vessels could actually circle the earth 2.5 times if you laid out all the blood vessels in your body end to end. This would stretch 100,000 kilometers. For example, this is our beautiful earth. Okay, this is our beautiful earth. This is our beautiful earth. This is our beautiful earth. So if you join all your blood vessels together, it will circulate the earth 2.5 times. That is amazing actually. The human body, as we all know, contains 5 liters of blood. You guys should remember it. It is very important. Now let's look at the other system, which is the single circulatory system. The single circulatory system, as you can see, blood passes through the heart only once in a full complete circuit. Look at this heart, right? This is the heart. This is actually the heart. For one complete cycle, the blood actually flow only once. The blood is pumped from the heart to the gills. These are the gills, and then flow directly into the rest of the body, like this way. Look, the heart pumps blood to the gills, then from the gills the blood actually travels throughout the body. What is the limitation, by the way? The blood loses pressure in the gill, right? As in the lungs, blood also loses pressure in the gills, right? And does not get pumped again. So it flows slowly to the body organ. The slower circulation make it less efficient for delivering oxygen, especially to organs that need quickly for high metabolic activity. For example, if human this is our guy, if it has single circulatory system, the blood most probably wouldn't even reach the whole body because of the low pressure. So the organ, suppose the thing such as muscles require high level of oxygen because they require a lot of energies. As a result, we will not able to move quickly or even slowly because we need oxygen. Our cell will start to die. So everyone, we are up to this for today. See you guys in the next class, and please do subscribe to my channel. I'm really new to the YouTube thing, as you can understand, and my goal would be giving you guys all A stars like I did in my O levels. Best of luck. See you in the next class. Tata.